Okay, welcome back. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Today I'm making a sign for my son's teacher. I figure if she's going to put up with a class full of 9 and 10-year-olds, a plaque is the least I could do. So it comes out really good, and I think she was really happy with it. I don't ever get to drop my kid off at school because I leave for work way too early. My wife always takes him, but she seemed to have liked it. So I appreciate you watching. There's not much to it. It's a piece of cedar, and I used a 1/4-inch end mill and then a 90-degree V-bit, and I just painted it black, and then I sanded off the top, routed off the edges with a round over bit, and that's about it. So hit the subscribe button, thumb it up, and I'll be back at the end. Thanks for watching. Alright, well, I appreciate you guys watching. This one was pretty straightforward. Just a little piece of cedar. It's actually a cedar picket, fence picket. So coming up on the channel, I just purchased a whole bunch of new bits, and I'm excited to get them. I bought them on New Year's Day, so it's probably gonna, or New Year's Eve, so it's probably gonna be a few more days before I actually get them in the mail. But when I do, I'm gonna do a quick little video on those, and I'm excited. I finally got some new bits that I haven't had yet. I got a really small ball nose. It's a 32nd of an inch. The one I use now is a 16th. And then I also bought a round over bit. And I also bought a, what is it? It's a 1/4-inch end mill, but it's a straight. I guess they call it straight cut. I'm not exactly sure, but instead of having the flutes spiraling, they're just straight up and down. And I saw a video, and it looked like the guy, from the experiment he did, it looks like they cut and they don't leave a lot of the ragged little pieces of debris on the lettering. So I'm going to give that a try. And apparently it works on aluminum also, which I have an aluminum job coming up. And then I also picked up, for that job, I picked up the 1/4-inch shank, and then you can replace the blades or the knives. Somebody a while back posted that I should look into getting those, and they're really expensive. Like, just the shank alone is like $58, and then you got the blades that are basically $25 each. So I finally got a little bit of money, and I saved up, and I bought the whole set of, I think there's 7 or 8 blades, and then you get the shank too. You get the 30, the 60, the 90 degrees. And then you also get a few other, they're not round over bits, but edge type bits. But all the angle, the V bits, the V knives can actually be used for aluminum also. So that'll come in handy with what I got coming up. So again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hit the subscribe button. Till the next video, I'm out.